This is real mystic and all, but do you have anything to eat here? I see.
A ship!
This thing smells kind of familiar. I guess I should have eaten that stuff. Well, I'm sure it's still in the fridge.
I don't even have one. I don't have an ID at all.
Sometimes I think, oh yes, I'd move to where all the shooting stars are.
Our troubles.
We're gonna need to check the whole ship. Think you could hunt up a little food, Faye? What's wrong?
It hurts. I got a pain.
This a joke. These rations expired a year ago.
It's a good thing I didn't eat them.
Serves you right. It's poetic justice. Let's do it.